Hello everyone, it's Johnny here, and you guys are watching Brothers Who Code. And in today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to use the File Explorer. So, with that being said, let's get into today's video. So, the first thing first is I'm going to teach you guys how to copy files. I currently don't have any files here, so I'm just going to create a few test files to use. So, there's a few ways you can copy a file, but I'm going to teach you the basics of copying it. What you're going to do is you're going to click on your file, and what you're going to do on your mouse is right click and click copy, and from there you can basically go wherever you want. If I wanted to go to pictures, you would right click again anywhere in this window and press paste, and your file will be in there. So that's how you copy and paste. I'm going to show you how to move files, which is pretty simple. Basically, what you just want to do is click on your file and drag on it with your mouse, and you can drop it basically anywhere you want in your file manager, and it will move to that specific folder. Another way you can do it is also pressing selecting on it and pressing Control X, and also Control X is cut, and you come over here and press Control V. It'll just drag basically the file from downloads to pictures or documents. Next, I'm going to show you guys how to rename a file. You guys could right click and press rename and rename it to anything, or you can also press F2 on the keyboard. And I'm going to teach you guys how to also delete a folder. You would click on it and click delete, or on your keyboard, click on it and press the delete button. It could also be DEL on certain keyboards as well. Now, after that, we're just gonna do a little basic searching for files. So we have the search bar up here. I'm gonna full screen this. So we're gonna come up to the search bar, and we're just gonna basically go to a random file. So we're gonna type in a name to find it. We could say like test. Let's go into documents and type in test1 and click on it. Let's see. We'll just do this. We'll go to another folder on the computer. We'll say like app data, and now we're in app data. So you could use this to go basically anywhere. If you want to go to downloads, we can go to downloads, and you guys can also create folders by right clicking new and create a folder. We're gonna call this test folder, and you guys can put your documents there by dragging it in there. If you want, you can make copies of it. Drag documents from here and copy, put it in here, and delete the original. There's a bunch of different things you can do with the file manager or file explorer. And that's pretty much it. I will show you guys also some tips and tricks that I've learned from messing around in File Explorer. One is you can always use Control and C to copy, and then Control V to paste. Instead of right clicking, pressing copy, and then clicking on like somewhere around here and pressing paste. It's a better way of doing it, and it's a quicker way. You can also undo. You can also undo by pressing Ctrl Z. And that's pretty much it. Hope this taught you guys how to use File Explorer and how to navigate around it maybe a little bit. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.